What's up, everybody? Esoteric Rider here. Now, today's an interesting day because I'm going to be taking the Honda Fury to bike night. And what's interesting about today is that this is the first bike night I've ever been to in the entire time I've been riding. So let's pick up Miss Esoteric. We're gonna meet up with Big Bro and possibly Rice Krispie, maybe. Haven't seen about that yet, but anyway, let's get on the bike and let's get rolling.
Now, you might be asking yourself one of two things. Ryder, why didn't you button up your vest or like zip it up or something? Well, that's because I completely forgot. I was too busy setting up the cameras. So, yeah, we're just gonna have to deal with that. And the other thing is, why don't you take your Harley to bike night? Don't you want to be like everyone else and take a Harley Davidson there? Because I guarantee you're gonna be maybe the only Honda amongst maybe two Suzukis and a whole lot of Harleys. Well, no, as a matter of fact, I didn't want to take my Harley Davidson because, what was the reason that I bought this Honda? Oh yeah, that's because it's different. It's different from everybody else. That's why everybody likes it, right? Now, yeah, I guarantee I'm gonna go there and I'm going to be the only Honda Fury there. I'll be so surprised if there's another one there because I know I'm not the only Fury rider around here. There's a guy, I believe he's got a 2016, and his is like that kind of, ooh, damn, that was rough. Anyway, he's got like a blackish gray one. Yeah, I don't know. It's a discontinued color, I can tell you that for sure. But yeah, it's sweet looking. It's awesome. So if that guy shows up there, where this is at might be a little out of his range, but hey, if he's there, more power to you, my friend. I'll be glad to park next to you if that's the case. So yeah, we're currently on the way to pick up Miss Esoteric, and she's gonna come with us, and she's gonna experience her first bike night along with me. So this is gonna be interesting, definitely interesting as I approach this roundabout. I tell you what, after adjusting my free play and my throttle, I tell you what, this is nice. It's kind of got its balls back a little bit, in a way where it wasn't necessarily you know, dire, but it definitely feels a lot more responsive in a materialistic way. So yeah, it's definitely needed that. Man, it is kind of chilly out, just a little bit, but I'm glad. I'm repping the merch. I've got the vest. I've got the Esoteric Riders Crew long sleeve shirt, in which, if you're interested in representing the crew, hit my line on the Instagram at Esoteric Rider. Anyway, let's go pick up Miss Esoteric. Let's get on our way to bike night. Okay, so the funny thing is, where bike night is being held, it is not a substantial distance from where I usually get Miss Esoteric. So it's a pretty good, works out pretty good this way. So I guess we're gonna see how big the show out is. I mean, the event only started like a half hour ago, but you know, it's better to be early than late, right? Or fashionably late, however that saying goes. So we'll see. Let's see what our very first bike night has in store. Big Bro ain't there yet, but you know, hey, if you're not first, you're last. So let's see. Oh, we got a pretty good amount of people going on. All right, it is a bunch of fucking leather daddies. All right, we're gonna park right next to a bike that looks halfway familiar. All right, well, here we are. So let's see what this has got to entail.
So, you ever walk into a place where you know that you're just gonna be the youngest person? Well, this is probably the both of us. So, let's see what this entails. We're drinking Cokes because we don't drink and ride. Sometimes. Only when we're feeling gangster, that's when we do. Well, I was kind of correct when I first was about to enter this place. Definitely the youngest person here. So, yeah, it's definitely a good demographic, but by far.
All right. We're currently leaving the gas station after grabbing some fuel. I've got Big Bro behind me, and we are headed back to bike night. And, you know, I don't know if you could hear me in the actual footage that I got on the Hero 11, where I'm like, I think I'm the youngest person here. And yeah, I definitely was. But you know what? Hey, it's a good crowd. Doesn't matter the age, doesn't matter the demographic. You know, hey, everybody's there to have a good time. So, you know, can't really hate on that. So let's head back there with Big Bro, because I believe this is his first bike night as well, and so it's gonna be interesting. But we're gonna have to wait since he's stopped by a car right now. So unless they're turning, yeah, it looks like. So let's jump back in the fray. But even though we're not going to get very far. Wow, that Honda is burning oil like, ugh, god damn. You're making my Honda look bad, son. What the hell are you doing? Oh, gosh. You know, I do gotta respect the way Big Bro rides when he's got wifey on the back of the bike with him. He rides extremely carefully, like, you know, as he should. Because, you know, precious cargo on the back. Can't blame him. Doesn't do the speed limit. And that's not in a bad way. It's in a good way. Depending on whatever way you want to look at it. But, yeah. So, let's see what their first bike night is going to entail. Because I guarantee they're going to be like the second or third youngest there. So, yeah. I don't want to say it's like all leather daddies and whatnot. But, it's a lot of leather daddies. But hey, you know what? Like I said, it's a good crowd, black, white, everybody's there. So it's probably filled up more now that since I've not been there, and filled up more now. I wonder if he's gonna rev bomb when he goes through this tunnel. Ugh, I used to take this route to work every day. I get war flashbacks. Hate that. I better get the fuck out of the potholes, that's for sure. Really test my suspension. Man, he fits that bike so good. Like, oh man, talk about a good choice. Like, man, fits that bike super well. I mean, he fit the Honda Shadow, but of course, everybody's just a ball hair too big on the Honda Shadow. Like, you could be 5'1" and just still be a ball hair too big. So yeah, it's like everybody, yeah, but he fits that extremely well with his old lady. Fuck it, just gonna pass him. Yeah, I got a little bit of traffic coming. This thing has no turn radius. But you know what? It'll look good next to the Shadow, that's for sure. Where's the curb? There it is. Alright, let's go back to our bike night.
So it ended up just looking like a retirement home and a whole lot of leathers. So me, Big Bro, and his wifey went to our local drinking establishments and had a bike night of our own that didn't require an AARP membership.
Well, me and Big Bro decided to go to somewhere just a hair more lively that isn't so much that resembles a retirement home. So let's go have a better time here.
All right, well, we are now leaving the local
drinking establishment. And of course, the riders don't drink and ride. I mean, if you want to have like a Coke or a Pepsi or whatever, that's okay. Big bro on his badass Harley Davidson Softail Heritage. It is extremely nice. And he's got wifey on the back with him. It is a rather cold night out. But this segment's gonna feature no face cam because, not gonna lie, a little too lazy. I thought that train was gonna continue on going, but no, apparently not. But yeah, a little brisk outside. So, yeah, kinda wish I brought the heavy leathers with me, but I didn't expect to stay out this late. But anyway, that is our first bike night in the books. And honestly, we kind of made it our own. We went to the official bike night, and you know, we went there. We went a little bar hopping, had some fun, met some new people. Hell, it was a good time. So you know, we might do that a little bit more, just to see if the crowds are any different from any other. So we'll see. We'll see what it's like. But in the meantime, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel where you'll find more content like this. And as always, follow the Instagram at Esoteric Rider where you'll find pictures and videos of this fine specimen of a motorcycle that is my 2020 Honda Fury and of my 2021 Harley Davidson Street Bob. And of course, when you ride, be safe and ride free. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Let me complete this turn and cross these railroad tracks. Alright, when you ride, be safe and ride free. Peace out.